Alright, where's the taxi? Pick me up. Wait, guys, pick me up. I want to get in the key.
Don't hit the spot, guys. I'll get someone.
Oh, I see. Ow.
Nobody get a cop.
Where's the taxi?
They're looking
Down
at us.
here.
Ow, I almost killed myself, but okay.
Who's gonna get it?
Yeah. Sorry, Tom.
Just stand in the truck.
Why do we have to
Don't
die?
have 3 stars.
The cops were after me.
Oh, God.
Alright.
Over the bridge.
Just keep going. I'll take out the cops.
Yeah, I got cops too. I'll kill them.
You
No, I'll get them too.
No, Connor should, because he's sitting in the back of you.
Yeah, me and Andrew got them. Oh my god, what just happened?
Shoot their tires and shoot the driver. Like I just did.
Let's follow the train track.
I missed a pressure on my
Keep going.
makes a weird sound.
They'll never catch us.
track.
Oh, wait, did that not come up? It's in the train. Let's get him on it.
Yeah,
Get on the train.
Yeah, hopefully there's a train soon.
Watch us going the wrong way.
Ah,
crash.
oh crap.
You broke the train machine. Now there's no train.
Exactly.
Thomas,
Everyone's gonna get wrecked.
oh, my car's up here.
Hey.
My car's
Oh,
up
mine
here.
is-
The infant's
Mine
up
is
here.
a cop too. Mine
No,
is
we
a
can't
cop.
stop.
Hey, go left. Hey,
Go
go left.
left, go left, left.
Go left.
No.
No, my car.
Car, we'll get the train.
Oh my
No, my
That
back
was a
is
super
killed
car.
me.
It was a 4-seater.
Great.
And my car over there was a Peggy.
Fabio.
Nice. That's better than that.
They stole my bag.
We're gonna get dead end, aren't we?
Out of all the cars they would steal, I would steal that
Keep
car.
going straight.
Follow the car, I would have been like, what is
Keep going straight.
It's not even worth stealing the
No,
Fabio.
we're supposed to take a right back there. This is a dead end.
You're dead.
Ooh, burn.
It's a revolution.
No, this isn't a dead end.
That was spinning in circles.
Where's the train?
Oh my god.
What the hell is that?
What is wrong with
Someone's
you?
throwing
What is
Semtex.
That,
PZ, no, there's a Semtex. Alright, go.
whoever's sitting in the back with me, throw him.
It's PZ. I saw him.
Oh yeah, it's
I'm
PC.
not sitting back. I'm up front.
No, it's PC. It is.
I'm using my.
Is Thomas behind us? Hey, Tom.
You lost the
You're just shooting.
We're shooting at Thomas. Train!
train.
Everybody get on the train.
Yeah!
I'm on. No, I fell off. I'm on.
No.
Yeah, Connor's back!
I-
Yeah!
Wow, I made it. Look at Thomas's car. Thomas's car got wrecked. Oh, you made it. I made it, then I fell off, and then I got back on.
Come on, Andrew, you can make it!
I made it, then I got off, and then I got on. I can't believe we lost the cops.
No, no, no. No, don't
Where are you going, Ryan? I'm not going in the front. I'm afraid I'll fall.
Andrew, stop killing him. It doesn't do anything.
Alright, it's fine.
Andrew,
Why are you going on top? You're gonna fall.
be careful.
See?
I'm already by the train.
Don't worry, it's all good.
Okay, just making sure.
Is anyone else on the train?
I was
You do
I
like that.
went straight. Hey, Andrew!
The taxi.
I'm taking out the
Put in the plane, get one of the trains next to it.
I am. I'm
I'm
fully.
taking the guy in the front.
Alright, I kicked him out.
Come on, get your help.
Okay, I'm on.
Put in the train, Thomas, and then once you're in front, you just click the jump button once you're next to the, like,
Hi, Andrew. Get on X. Click X. You made it. How did you make that?
yeah!
You barely made that.
My 3D glitched out and rolled the cloud.
Yeah, same. Tom's on. Is everyone on?
No, this is your caboose speaking. This is
The whole gang's here.
The gang's all here. Wait, let's get the cops on us and see how long we can last.
grenade
I
launcher.
Oh my god. Don't shoot me, Thomas, I swear. No! Why?
I was aiming my gun and you walked right in front of me.
No. I see you. I can get on. I can get on. I can get on the train.
Hey, don't
Hurry, hurry. No, I missed it. I just missed it.
Get a car,
No.
get a car.
I'm not going to make it.
I'm trying to 360 no scope you guys.
No, stop. Stop.
No, I won't hit it. I won't hit it.
Great. Now I'm freaking stuck.
Ryan, you have to run.
Oh, just
Run
Connor,
away.
get a car.
How? I'm freaking on the train tracks.
scope. I want to try no scoping you. I would get out of the way if I were you. I mean no scope you.
This sucks. No. Need to find a car. Wow, PZ.
You're right in front of my thing. Were we supposed to get off the train?
No.
No.
Yes, I made it to the one. I'm
Hey,
not
you
going
got that
for
money?
TV.
Okay, I got a car. I'm coming.
Come on.
You guys are under me.
Easy, get away.
Stop riding.
Get away.
Wait, why is there a purple circle?
You
What's
don't
that?
do it with the gun. Andrew, don't do it.
Kill him. Kill PZ. He's too dangerous. Why?
Hey, kill me.
Everyone get back on the train.
Andrew, I have no help. Guys, I
Oh
can't
my
see
God.
my health bar.
We're so far away. What the hell?
Yeah, I know Andrew was shooting at me. I had no choice.
Yeah, but you
Oh my
bought
God,
out
you
an
just pull out
RPG.
a freaking RPG, you retard.
It's a home launcher.
Yeah, that's the only thing you can
Okay, I'm catching up. I'm almost there. I'll make it.
You guys coming?
I'm almost there.
I'm on it.
Connor, can you pick me up?
Hurry.
All the trees.
What are you
Oh, no,
doing?
I'm underground. I can't.
Stop.
Sorry, guys.
It's me.
No, you ran into
Oh,
me.
someone was right over here.
Hurry up.
Stop running into me.
I'll catch you guys if you
Oh
come.
shit, I see it.
Oh, I see you guys. Yes, I'm after the train. I'm almost there.
Okay, come on.
Oh wait, no, the train's up there. I went the wrong way.
Yeah, I'm over here. Come to me.
What way did you go? This way? Oh, I see him. I see the train. I'm going to make it back on. Oh, my God. Freedom.
Returning. Keep going.
I see the train. I see PZ. Hey, man.
I'll meet you in the front.
Okay, meet me in the front.
I'm running.
Get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up.
Following me, Tom. I'm not going where you think I'm
No, I didn't make it.
Slow motion jump.
Okay, I'm coming back.
Did you miss it?
Yeah, I missed it, but I'm behind you.
Come on, you guys. You can make it.
We're coming tomorrow, probably.
Alright,
Come on, Connor.
I'll meet you in the front.
I should just be past the vehicle there.
Wait, no, I just found the biggest railroad. Thank you, railroad. It's just a quick railroad. I'm taking it.
I made it. PZ, come on.
It looks so cool.
No, come up here, come up here.
No, if you stand on the edge.
No, come up here, please.
I've seen it.
Come on. Come on up, PZ. Come on up. PZ, come up. Come up.
Oh, there you go.
PZ, come up.
Come in.
Yeah. Hey, man. PZ, come up, hurry. Yeah, we made it. That's what you get for killing my friends. You killed them all. And you pulled out a gun.
Yeah, you killed us all.
Yeah. Hey, guys. No, because you killed my friends and you were aiming a shotgun at me. Alright. Bye.